Hey everyone, this is Joe with Speedway Motors, and we're here today with a new product. This is our 9-inch Ford drum brake kit, and the thing that makes this kit unique is that it has a 5x5 and a 5x5.5 bolt circle. And you know, there are lots of 9-inch Ford drum brake kits out there. Lots of them have a 5x4.5 or maybe a 5x4.75 bolt circle, but this one is going to come in especially handy for guys who are doing like a 71 to 89 GM pickup. Those use a 5x5 bolt circle, and lots of times when you start changing around, adding 9-inch housings, doing things like that, you find yourself having to change wheels and run a weird bolt circle. But this is basically a direct bolt-on to a 9-inch Ford with the new style Torino bearing ends, and will go right out to that 5x5 bolt circle for a Chevy truck. And the other thing you'll notice, the 5x5.5 is consistent with an early Ford. So that opens the door to, you know, hot rods, early Ford pickups that also use that 5x5.5 bolt circle. This opens the door for those as well. What this kit is, it's an 11-inch drum brake kit. It's all new components. This isn't reclaimed junkyard stuff. The drums are computer balanced, so they're gonna come right out of the box ready to roll. Backing plates show up assembled. This is just how it comes out of the box. Has new linings, all new components, new wheel cylinders, 3/8 24 inverted flare fitting in the wheel cylinder. So this is just a great bolt-on option that'll get you rolling, and this will come in a little cheaper than a lot of disc brake kits to really open the door for 9-inch swaps into Chevy trucks and, you know, whatever else you can think of. These are ready to accept a parking brake cable, and beyond that it's just a bolt-on to your 9-inch housing. There's plenty more information available on the website, speedwaymotors.com. Thanks for watching.